If your washer will not spin or drain, a service call may not be needed. A simple factory reset can fix many common washer problems in minutes and often restores normal operation without tools. This reset works on Whirlpool, Kenmore, Amana, Crosley, Roper, and Maytag top-load washers. If the reset does not solve the issue, refer to the linked video explaining washer error codes. Factory reset instructions. Step 1. With the washer powered off, rotate the control dial counterclockwise 1 full turn. Step 2. Within 6 seconds, turn the dial 3 clicks right, 1 click left, and 1 click right again. Flashing lights confirm diagnostic mode. Step 3. While the lights flash, turn the dial 4 additional clicks to the right and press start. Step 4. Wait several minutes. If the washer shuts off and the lid unlocks, the reset was successful. If the washer does not unlock or lights keep flashing, watch the error code video shown next.